Is it the right time to make a decision about Apple stock? Today, we are delving deeper into Apple. We previously published a report on our website on Wednesday, November 15, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Staying informed about crucial updates that could affect your investments is essential. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 7, 2023, our system has identified Apple as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.36. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Apple's stock has shown a gain of 3.4%. This equates to an average daily return of 0.49% since it was recommended as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this would present a good selling opportunity. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $188.92, it would signal a strong buy and indicate a potential shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected minus 0.513% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between minus 11.80% and minus 0.0295%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a significant 32.34% change over the next year, with a potential return between 19.52% and 49.37%. This implies a price range of $224.70 to $280.84 after 12 months. Our latest update on Apple brings exciting news. Apple's stock price has increased by 0.304% on Wednesday. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, November 15, 2023, Apple's stock price showed a positive trend. It rose from $187.44 to $188.01, marking a gain of 0.304%. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations, reaching a low of $187.78 and a high of $189.50, showcasing a 0.92% difference. It is important to note that the stock has been on an upward trajectory for the majority of the past 10 days, with 7 out of 10 days showing an increase. In the span of 2 weeks, the stock has risen by an impressive 8.07%. The trading volume decreased by 4 million shares on the last day, with a total of 53 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $10.00 billion. Decreased volume on higher prices can indicate a potential divergence, serving as an early warning for future changes in the coming days. Over the course of the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for Apple's stock was $198.22, while the lowest price was $124.17. At present, the stock is trading at a price 5.15%, or $10.21, below its 52-week high. Moreover, it is 17.63%, or $40.25, lower than its all-time high reached on August 30, 2018, when the price peaked at $228.26. Today, we'll be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Apple. Let's start with the report from Raymond James on Friday, November 3, 2023. They gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, UBS gave Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. Evercore ISI also reported on Thursday, November 2, 2023, and they gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Barclays, on the same day, gave Apple an equal weight grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, November 2, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Many analysts have given Apple stock a general rating of strong buy. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Apple's stock. The chart shows mostly positive signals for Apple. Both short-term and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support from the lines at $184.82 and $176.74. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 12.66%. It is expected to continue rising until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also provides a buy signal. However, it's worth noting that despite the stock's gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. So, it's recommended to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence signal, which suggests a buy. Next, we have the pivot signal, indicating a buy signal 15 days ago. The Bollinger signal also shows a buy signal 2 days ago. Furthermore, the short-term moving average signal confirms a buy signal 13 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average signal suggests a buy signal 11 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. According to the short moving average signal, there was a buy signal 11 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average signal confirms a buy signal 8 days ago. In addition, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 55 days ago. If you want to find more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level at $177.56 and $175.84. When a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If this support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, Apple finds support just below today's level at $177.56. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $175.84 and $175.01. This stock typically has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the past day, the stock moved $1.72 between its high and low, which is around 0.92% of its value. Over the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.16%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Apple, let's start by covering some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is often seen in companies with a long history and predictable revenues. Moving on, the next earnings report for Apple's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for Apple's earnings in this quarter are at $1.39. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Apple stock. If Apple is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $189.46. If you're not currently invested in Apple, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. However, if you already own Apple shares, this could be an interesting level for swing trading. On the other hand, if Apple's stock is facing a downward movement, the first support level is at $177.56. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point for investors, as a rebound might be anticipated. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider trades involve Condo Chris, who bought and sold a total of 24,854 shares or options in the company. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -22.273. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased 2,317,906 shares and sold 3,788,383 shares in total. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $181.99, representing a decrease of 3.2%. This stock experiences moderate daily movements, which means it carries a moderate level of risk. The RSI 14 indicator is at 89, significantly increasing the risk associated with this stock. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 14 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Based on current signals, it appears that Apple stock may present a buying opportunity in the short term. Our analysis shows that the current price is undervalued, considering the volatility in recent movements in the market. Looking ahead to Thursday, November 16th, we anticipate Apple's opening price to be $0.420 higher at $188.43. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock with you. We value your opinion, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. With wishes for successful trading, have a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.